Science plus music equals what? If you answered dancing, then you would be correct. We caught up with Lewis and Helen.
I'm the director and founder of the Science Ceilidh project, which really came about as a collision of some of my real interests. So my background is in neuroscience. I can prove that because I do have a 3D printout of my brain from my MRI scan, not to size before anyone says anything. But then I'm a fiddle player, and so kind of mixed with an interest in education.
They have set up programs in both primary and secondary schools in which children discover the science of music. Helping new migrants settle in Edinburgh is part of the wider goal of the Science Ceilidh. They host events like the New Scots Ceilidh, which is aimed at helping older residents of Edinburgh meet and welcome the newer residents. Learning dances and exchanging ideas from different cultures helps bring them closer together.
Really trying to encourage everyone to participate, even if they're not a scientist or an expert, but feeling that everyone can engage on some level. And so with that kind of philosophy in mind and the idea of a dashing white blood cell coming up as a pun, that pretty much sealed our fates, and the Science Ceilidh was born.
So my background is in geophysics, and I met Lewis at university and we played a lot of folk music together.
They also have Leith Labs, which is based out of Ocean Terminal, aimed at getting kids or adults to ask any science question to get hands-on with items such as a plasma ball or an EEG to view your brainwaves.
Some amazing questions from that process. And we do loads of activities, whether it could be brains or physics. We've got hopefully doing some more space stuff, which will make Helen, all of our team members, a lot happier. And so, yeah, we've got some projects like that, which are much more long-term and trying to, again, engage in audiences that don't normally think about science.
So if you want to learn how to dance or find out about the electrical impulses zipping around your brain, look out for the Science Ceilidh near you. This is Dennis Posmick, reporting for ECTV News, Edinburgh.